If you want to send your tokens from Metamask to Binance, go to the selected token, for example BNB in Binance, then click deposit. Then choose BEP20 and click copy, which instantly copies your BNB deposit address. Pagkatapos, after na makopy mo yung address, you go to Metamask, choose the token, and hit send. Then paste the address from Binance to Metamask and input how many tokens you'd like to send to Binance. That's it. And then wait for Binance to confirm or to mine the transaction you just made. And if it's done, your BNB tokens will be waiting for you in Binance.